Okay, so got a new package today. I think this is freaking my gas cap that I ordered for gsxr 05. This gas cap fits most of the gsxr models from 2015, I guess, and from 92 or something. So basically it's the same thing. So I'm gonna open the package and show you the product. I pay $20 for it on eBay, free shipping and everything. Basically it came with a different box. So yeah, this is for something else. Yep, and this is basically the gas cap. It's made in China, but it's a cheaper way to, if you don't have the key for the lock for the new gas cap, I mean for the old gas cap, you can just buy this one and save you a couple of dollars. It comes with the 3 bolts, and let's get the gas cap shell, whole package. So basically this goes like this, yeah, like that. It's a push, so you push it in and then it just pops right open. Has a rubber gasket on the cap, and it says push open lock, and it's CNC aluminum. And I think that's about it. I think it's gonna look pretty cool on the bike, and put it on and then go from there. So if you guys like it, just give it a try, buy them. They're pretty cheap, so you don't have to spend like $100 or even $60 to make a key if you want to change the look of your bike. This will look good and add a nice touch to the bike. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace.